butt wetting, similar to what we do in HDB pipes. Once the presentation is through, I will show you a live demo of how we do the fixing and all.
Here is a special thread also.
Sir, if you are if you are trying to join this PPR pipe with a GI or a DI pipe, in that case we have done the same
But
thing.
one thing you told me, this will go inside.
Yes.
And it will work as a converter.
Yes. Correct.
Converter for the GI pipe or something
Correct.
like that.
Correct.
So it has to be chiseled first, and then it has to be then what will be the jointing process? এটা তো এটা এদিকে জিআইটা হবে, এদিকে পাইপটা দিবি তো, এবার তো ধর এটা জিআই কানেকশন করতে হবে, তখন জিআইটাকে দিতে হবে।
You have done the comparison between physical properties, but any financial comparison?
Sir, financial comparison, as we are in the process of doing that, I will share it to you also. But financially, sir, as of now, I can completely I agree to say that we are not competing here with HDB pipes, because with HDB pipe I can compete it with properties but not at price. But if you compare it, we are trying to replace these pipes with your metal pipes. So we are trying to compete in terms of price as well as properties, benefits, life with metal pipes, not HDB.
So if we want to include in our schedule for using to all of the our division of office, so we need rate.
Rate, sir, rate of our pipe is, I have already shared the rates of various bodies as well as like CPWD, PWD rates I have shared with you.
One thing you tell me,
With your
The file that I have submitted you, sir,
documents.
last week, in that the schedule of rates of CPWD, railway schedule of rate, military engineering services schedule of rate I have shared. I have also shared our company's price list with the same.
it is from 16 to 400 mm.
Up from 16 to 400 mm, sir, but the BIS is up to 200 mm, so I don't know if you will be able to take it through.
one thing you tell me, you are the only manufacturer in India. There are
Many manufacturers.
Again,
Sir, Prince is making this pipe. There is
I
one
thought-
company called Supreme also makes this pipe.
so.
Supreme Industries also make this pipe. The only difference is what stands us apart in this segment is all the companies have various segment of pipes that they are dealing in. We manufacture only PPR and we specialize only in PPR. We do not manufacture any other thing, and that's the reason the range that we bring on table.
Why we will replace HDP by this PPR?
Sir, I am not asking you to replace HDB.
No.
I am just trying to compete with metal pipes.
If I like to use, then I have to justify that.
Yes. Agreed.
What is your justification?
Cost is more than HDP pipe.
No. Technically, why is it better than HDP?
Colonel sir, are you able to hear
Yeah.
me?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Sir, even the replacement of HDP pipe, we would recommend the replacement of HDP pipe for the basic reason that the durability and functionality of these PPR pipes are far ahead. When compared with the pressure and temperature versus the durability, you will also see that PPR pipe has got much varied advantages. Now, as far as the rates are concerned, sir, it is for lower dia pipes, it is not of much difference. I can quote the example of one 75 mm. If I take it 75 mm, the GI pipe with a medium grade will cost around 1400 rupees. They don't make this dia pipe, they are higher than that. CPVC will cost around 1140. The HDP will cost around 980 and ours will cost around 1500 rupees. So it is not much, but if you see the temperature withstanding and the durability, whereas the HDP can last only up to 75 the other advantages with this pipe is the chemically inert, because it is a polymerization of propane. So the property of propane is absolutely chemically inert. So there is no chemical attack on this, and simultaneously the calcification part. We don't have any scaling in this joint part. Where SDP pipes are welded at 130, 140 degree, we weld it at 200 plus. And the joints, they can be able to show you, it's absolutely monolithic. One cannot find whether this is a pipe or this is a joint. So this was my submission. Even one can think of replacing SD pipe to avoid the frequent maintenance and as well as the installation. So anything, Varun?
Yes, sir. Sir, one more thing that sir was asking me was at that time you got disconnected somehow. So sir, I had a question that why you say that PPR can last up to more than 60 years and SDP cannot last up to 60 years. Do you have any certifications around it, or is it somewhere proven?
No, the DIN and IS 15801 is a proof to it. And I hope that the chart or the graph was shown.
I showed it.
It has been practically seen. Two reasons, because it is the UV stabilized, so the effect of light is not there. The degradation does not take place. Joints are very, very strong, so there is no rupture of joint taking place. The third is that the antimicrobial layer. The two purpose of this antimicrobial layer is it avoids calcification as well as it kills the microbes, the bacteria, any kind of thing. And that is why the durability. The temperature, how the pipes gets damaged. The pipes get damaged because of the effect of sun. Most of the time it is moisture, sun, these are the external factors which degrades the pipe. The moment we do that UV stabilization to PPR, as such the PPR thermal standing, you have seen that it's minus 17, it goes up to 99. So therefore, the degradation of these pipes in the very temperature conditions will be less affected than in comparison with SDP, PVC and all other pipes. I hope I cleared it.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So I will.
I have one question.
Yeah.
You are telling that this pipe is very sustainable where the temperature difference is high. Suppose it is in the, I am telling about the arid zone where temperature fluctuates a lot. But you see, Bengal, actually in Bengal terrain, here the temperature does not fluctuate a lot. Here temperature difference is something like 20 degrees, 25 degrees centigrade throughout the day. So that is the thing. So we are not concerned about that. Our main concern, you see, I told him also earlier that our main concern about this is the price. The thing is that price. Which I want, though we have not discussed about the price, but it seems that the price of this pipe is, you are telling about the little bit, maybe higher than the HDPE also. You see, we cannot introduce HDPE totally, though we are not very happy with the quality of the UPVC. We tried a lot for introducing HDPE pipe in our department. But we cannot, as the cost of HDPE pipe is higher than UPVC pipe. Again, the same problem we will face when we will introduce this pipe, because the cost of this pipe is little bit, in some diameter it is little bit, in some diameter it is more higher than the HDPE pipes. So that is the main concern, which I thought later it will be discussed in February in the committee. But that is the main concern the committee will face for the price of this pipe.
Sir,
you got my point?
I would like to do an analysis of the maintenance cost carried out for SDP segment of pipe which has been laid for last 2 to 3 years. Only 2 to 3 years, I am not talking about 5 to 6, 10 years. And you will find that there have been number of chances when the particular segment laid 3 years back has been repeatedly disturbed, and therefore the repair work was called for. So this is going because the SDPs are brittle in nature. They very easily in exposed environment they get this thing. Where underground also there has been lots of problem with the SD pipe when embedded on ground. But once the PPRs are laid in place of not 100%, but some vesting can be seen, and then analysis can be done. Our main aim is to avoid the cost of maintenance in long term.
One thing you do, you make a comparative statement. This pipe vis-a-vis SDP pipe. Make a comparative statement. Suppose I am asking you why we will use this pipe despite of its higher cost. So we need a comparative statement. We need a statement for despite of being higher price, we are going to introduce it. So there should be some justifications. So you give a write-up or something like that, 1 2 pages write-up before placing this pipe for the committee to give a write-up. It would be better, I think.
Yes, sir. And this I am talking about the sizes 200 mm and above, sir. Up to 160 mm, there is hardly any cost difference if you see SDP 100p I am talking about. Not that 40 and 80p. The cost comparison when I am doing with the 100p plastics. So there is hardly any difference. Hardly 100 to 150 rupees a meter does not warrant too much of a cost.
Because we came to that in Assam also they are using your product. They are using in their World Bank project. They are using your product in Assam also. So there must be something advantageous for this product or for this pipe. There must be, otherwise they will not approve this product. So give a comparative statement as well as a statement for justifying the higher cost of this pipe. Cost respect to the quality and other advantage of this pipe. I think
that can be prepared. There is no problem, sir. Why did we come to know the...
You already have, I think. Very simple thing to do it. You do and submit it.
Sir, I will just quickly complete the slide. This is the welding shuttle technique that we use to basically repair the pipe
You just show us something. You are demonstrating this. Everybody, they are very sharp. These guys, they are very sharp. They know ins and outs of this pipe. We older guys, we don't know. This younger guys know everything of this pipe. So just show them some hand-on.
I am heating this machine at 180 degrees. Between 180 degrees to 200. I'm putting the pipe inside and the fitting. सर ये हो गया heated. Like 30 seconds.
Oh, fuse.
Just fuse.
It doesn't fuse.
Just fuse. Like that's it. Done. Permanent. अब सर मैं इस पाइप को काट करके भी आपको दिखाऊंगा. Once I cut this pipe, you won't be able to make out where is the fixing done.
So you don't need any chemicals.
I don't use any chemicals. It's heating and fixing. You have to fix this pipe within 7 to 8 seconds of heating, else this pipe will not fix. Sir, for this 25 mm pipe of PN20, I have used temperature of 190 degrees. So I am heating this pipe at 190 degrees for higher diameters. If I talk about diameter beyond 32 mm, rather I would say beyond 50 mm, I will heat it